I'm Leah and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am actually now back from a break that was planned but not planned to be as long from YouTube, and I'm sharing with you why I took this long break, what's been going on with my hair, and also an update on my life. For those of you who might be new here, this channel is where I share everything that has to do with relaxed hair, at least my experience with relaxed hair. Also, my experience with caring for my oily skin, that includes skincare and makeup. So if you're a regular, if you subscribe, you probably did notice that I haven't put up any new videos in a while, and that was basically because I decided I need to take a step back from YouTube. I just wasn't enjoying it as much, and that really stemmed from some of my last few videos where I got some negative comments. You guys didn't see those comments because I didn't make them go live. I didn't publish them. I didn't approve them. I moderate all my comments, so everyone who makes a comment, I have to see it first and approve it before it goes out into the world. And there were just some that were talking about, oh, if you didn't have relaxed hair, your hair this and your hair that, and you don't know anything about your hair, and you picked a bad stylist, and da-da-da, and you da-da-da-da. And it just really started to get to me, and I was just like, I need a break. And I was like, I don't even know if I want to share anything about my hair anymore on YouTube because of this. So I decided, let me take a few weeks off. And the few weeks just ended up turning into several weeks. And I kind of enjoyed it. I kind of liked not having to feel like I need to record a video. I like editing more than I like recording. So I did miss the editing part, but I did some reels on Instagram instead. And I don't say I liked recording that any more than I like YouTube videos, but it was nice to kind of get a break and kind of recenter and kind of rethink. So now I'm back, and that's why I was gone for a while. So during this break that I had, I really did, focus more on my hair. As you can see, my hair is looking pretty good. I am now 2 weeks post my relaxer touch-up. I usually would do a relaxer touch-up video, and I kind of planned to, and then time just got away from me. I will tell you why in the life update. And I never got around to doing it, but I did get a relaxer touch-up about 2 weeks ago. I was 12 weeks post, and the touch-up went really well. No major issues or anything like that. And my stylist did notice that my hair was feeling a lot softer, smoother, has more body, has more movement, is more silky smooth. And so she was like, what have you been doing? What has changed that has made it improve even more and kind of get it back to how it was before I had this protein overload issue, which if you don't know anything about that, I'll leave a link down below of some videos and blog posts that talk all about what I went through. During this last relaxer stretch, I was still focusing on moisture, which is kind of like the basis for my hair regimen. I have a lot of moisture-based products in my hair regimen and a little bit of protein, but I did feel like I've been focusing so much on moisture, I needed to add some more strength back to my hair, really make sure that that balance was happening there between moisture and protein. Even though it's not quite a protein, I have been doing more bond bending treatments. I had used up the rest of my Plex 3, which is great, but I didn't feel like it did a whole lot for my hair for the price. So I've been using more the Creme of Nature Plex Breakage Defense. It's also a bond mender. It's a different formula, but I feel like for the price, I get a pretty good result. And so I've been using this not on a consistent basis. It's been like every couple of weeks is basically when I've been using it, and I feel like it's been doing a great job with my hair and helping my hair feel better. And then I also incorporated this from Joico, which is the K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock. I've seen other relaxer ladies use it and they really like it. And it's supposed to bring shine and repair your hair. And I feel like it really has. I don't use this also on a regular basis. I use it when I'm not using the bond mender. So I kind of alternate between the two, but it's kind of more of a, oh yeah, let's do a treatment this week. Which one did I do last time? So then I can use the other one. It's not on any kind of set schedule. It's just kind of like, I feel like my hair might benefit from doing a treatment this week. Additionally, I added in some steaming to my hair regimen. So I bought a steamer maybe about a month ago now from Amazon. It was during Amazon Prime Day, and it was a pretty good deal. And I've had my hair steamed before in the past, and I guess it did a pretty good job. And I've seen a lot of good reviews about steaming and everything. So I said, let's go ahead, let's buy a steamer. I thought about it before, but didn't want to pull the trigger because of the price. And I was like, do I really need another hair tool? But I said this might be good. And I wish I bought a steamer earlier. When I was having protein overload issues, I feel like my hair would have gotten over it so much sooner, or I wouldn't have even had the issue if I had been steaming my hair on a regular basis at that time. But I've been steaming every week since the steamer arrived, and that's been maybe roughly about a month or so. And I do it when I deep condition my hair. So I wash my hair, put on my deep conditioner, and then sit under my steamer for about 15-20 minutes. And I'm telling you, the difference in my hair was automatic. I feel like my hair is maintaining moisture longer, so I don't have to moisturize and seal every night. I do it just a few times a week whenever my hair, or particularly my ends, start to feel dry. My hair has more shine, more body, more movement, and it's retaining more length. And I just am loving the way my hair has been since I started steaming my hair. So it's definitely something that, if you have a steamer, use it. If you can get your hands on one, or you can do like a DIY steam treatment, definitely do it, because it's great for your hair. So I'm going to put some pictures up here so you can kind of see my hair. So this is a picture from the front after I just stepped out of the salon. As you can see, my hair, it has a lot of body. It's kind of thick. It's kind of poofy. It looks a little different than it does right now. That's because I do sometimes flat iron my hair. And I'll tell you a little bit about that as I'm kind of showing these pictures. So this one is a picture of, I think, a week after I got my relaxer touch-up, and I had flat ironed my hair once I got home from the salon. And that's what it looks like. And then here is my hair today, 2 weeks later. So as I mentioned, I will sometimes flat iron my hair after I wash it, but I don't do it usually the same day as when I wash. I saw a couple of videos from some hairstylists who said they prefer, if their client's schedule will allow, for them to flat iron their client's hair the day after they wash it. And it was something about it kind of locks in the moisture more, or there's more moisture in the hair. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it had to do with the hair just maintains more moisture when they do it that way. So I actually did a test where I flat ironed my hair the day I washed it after I dried it, and then I flat ironed, and then I've been also flat ironing my hair the day after it's been washed, and I like the results when I did it the day after. So that's what I continue to do when I flat iron, but I'm using a heat protectant on my hair, and I typically do one pass at like 375 is what I do. And I do the chase method, where I have the comb in front and the flat iron chases the comb, and that helps get the smoother look. So when it comes to my hair, I'm going to continue steaming, and I'm going to flat iron my hair every so often, and going to continue using the hair treatments as well, and then just kind of adding, subtracting, and revising my hair regimen as needed. Just to keep my hair on a positive trajectory. And that's going to be kind of interesting to do over the next few months, because this kind of leads into my life update, where I am moving. Okay, you can't tell looking here in this room because I've still got it set up for now, but I'm going to be moving in like a week from when this video is being shot. I accepted a few months ago a job in a new state. Well, it's not a new state, because it's North Carolina. I'm moving back to North Carolina, the same area of North Carolina I moved from when I came here to Florida. So I got a new job. It's a great opportunity. Really excited to be moving back and being closer to family, but going to be missing Florida. So I have sold my house, and my new digs will not be ready for a little bit. So I'll be staying with my parents. So the background will look different. But then once I'm in my new place, you'll see some of the same stuff probably set up a little differently there. But wanted to let you know, because if I continue making videos after this one and get back into the swing of a schedule of shooting videos, it'll look a lot different. So did want to give you a heads up and did want to share that with you. as well. And that's also one of the reasons I've been a little bit absent, because when I did plan to come back, it was just like all of this stuff with life, trying to figure out when I was moving, where I was moving to, where I was going to stay, if I needed to put stuff in storage, how that was going to happen, getting the house on the market, getting the house ready to get on the market, all of those good things. It was just a lot. So I felt like something needed to go, and considering, I was like, okay, let's just keep the pause on YouTube videos for a while. And that really did help me be able to focus on the life stuff that needed to get done. So yeah, that's it. That's the hair update. That's the life update. That's why I've been absent from YouTube. So hopefully once I have like moved and I'm back in North Carolina and a little bit settled, I will get back into the swing of things and start making more videos. But until then, follow me on Instagram at @arelaxedgal, and you'll be able to get a lot more updates there. I do share a lot on my Instagram in terms of products I'm using, more about how my hair is doing and all that kind of stuff. So you'll definitely be able to find stuff there if it takes me a little while to get back into the swing of things with YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I'm interested to know, what have you been doing with your relaxed hair over the past few weeks that I've been absent? Go ahead, give me an update. What are some wins? What are some things that you've learned, whether they're good, whether they're bad, about caring for your hair? What are some products you've tried that you've liked or haven't liked? Go ahead and leave it all in the comments down below. And if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. Yes, I know, like I said, I've been a little bit absent, but I am planning to get back into the swing of things at some point. So you will want to subscribe to my channel to make sure that my videos show up in your subscription feed and you're able to easily find them. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and feel free to share it on your social channels. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.